had a discussion last day on the technology is going so fast. Can people in the broadcasting industry, or maybe over the satellite, can they follow the developments? Because it's not only satellite, it's IP, it's video encoding.
Right.
All technologies come together.
Right. Well, they have to, It's a sink or swim, I guess I don't want to promote my magazine, but our cover story this month is all about innovate or die. If you don't follow with the times or even go beyond or move forward, you'll be left behind. Yeah. So it's important to keep yourself informed by attending events like your conference, and the IBC conference. Read up on, all the, not just our publication, but all the other publications.
Yeah. I like that. Innovate or die at the innovation dinner from Edu Satcom.
That's right. It's the Innovation Awards.
Yes, exactly.